Hello, Crypto World. Friday morning, stock market's up, and we received a lot of financial data today. And you saw how the market responded to the fact that the fourth quarter GDP was revised lower and core inflation's 3.1%. But the market is not responding negatively to the higher than anticipated core inflation. However, the dollar is rising and it's trading almost 100. Remember, it was going to break through 98 a couple of weeks ago. Now let's jump right over to crypto. Crypto is incredibly strong across the board. I'd say most are up at a minimum of 3%. Some are up almost as 5%. And take a look at what we're on the week. Crypto is relatively firm considering all we know about the Iranian war and what it's done to the equity market. But you see today when the equity's up, crypto's up, and I do have to point out crypto was up prior to the financial numbers coming out and prior to the stock market opening. Here we are at 73,500, and Bitcoin was at an hour ago was trading 72,500. So basically crypto anticipated good numbers and is shrugging off what's going on in Iran. The issue is, of course, whether this will continue. Now, I'm going to use an indicator that I don't necessarily rely on. It's new, the prediction markets. And interestingly, the prediction market says the next move for Bitcoin is to pump to 84K with a 59% vote, meaning the majority believe that's going to happen, and 40% say it will dump to 55K. This number in the percentage that believes that it's going to go to 84K has increased. Now, again, I have to repeat, nobody knows how valid these prediction markets are in effect predicting the future. Bottom line, today, the Iranian war is not pressing down prices in the equity market. And I failed to mention earlier, gold's down. Not a lot, but a little bit. So we're seeing, if you will, a return to normal and a sense that the U.S. economy is very strong and the risk-on asset of crypto is appreciating. Well, I think that this is a situation that could logically continue as long as we don't get some terrible headline news or action out of the Iranian situation. The crypto market looks like it wants to go up.